I recently put $1,000 into Axie Infinity, and I actually do not even play this game, but I actually do believe that this may be something that goes up even more in value. I think it's already gone up 50,000% since it started. Basically, Axie Infinity is a video game, and I think it allows people to basically use crypto in the game to buy virtual real estate or characters and stuff like that. And as you play the game, you actually can earn money. So this actually is an interesting thing, because some people especially in the developing world, they have the ability to make a lot more money than they do in their doing a menial job, doing some hard labor or something that doesn't pay very much in their own country. Maybe they can make some money playing Axie Infinity and acquiring this kind of non-fungible token. I bought some because, for one reason, this is the absolute top NFT for video games. I mean, there are other ones out there. I haven't really researched all of them, but this is apparently one of the top ones that are out there. So I think there is a future for this. I think that when you have something that is a true leader and it has gone up a lot of people will say, oh, I don't think that's going to go up more. The irony is, oftentimes something like that will actually go up even more in value, and I think that's going to be quite a shocking thing. This is actually like an evolution in video games, because in old days you just paid for the game and you weren't getting paid anything to actually play the game. Now we're starting to get to a point where there's virtual real estate in the game, just like in real world. And you could argue, but in the virtual world, there's theoretically unlimited space. It's different than real life with real estate, but it may be that this game becomes so dominant that if you do own real estate in the game, and especially if you're there early, that it will rise in value quite a lot. But anyway, I'm not playing the game, I'm just buying the token, and I do hope that people continue to play Axie Infinity. And I actually do hope to learn some more about this game. I actually thought this game, I think I read somewhere, this game is kind of expensive to play, precisely because the crypto needed to play the game has risen in value so much. And perhaps that's one reason why people have to make money while they're playing the game. Anyway, I do hope to hear what you think. If you're playing Axie Infinity or buying the NFT, it's actually available on Coinbase. And I think it may even be offered on Gemini now as well. Anyway, click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.